guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to share with you these cannas that I picked up for free from Facebook Marketplace. I was not expecting them to be this giant, and I already have cannas that I saved last year, so I'm gonna go through these bags. I have not gone through them yet, and I'm going to divide off what I wanna keep and what I wanna give away. And I already have people in line that want some, and so I'm just gonna separate them all. I'm planning to keep the biggest ones. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and I'm gonna start some canna seeds today a little later. Anyway, so let's go ahead and go through this bag. So I got 2 bags full. Bag number 1. Oh gosh. And bag number 2. Alrighty. So the ones I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna put in this tray because I'll be starting them probably this week or next. So really soon. But these 2 bags I'm gonna use to put the ones that I'm not gonna keep in. So we'll do those right here. Alrighty, so this one is one I have shared already on social media because this is just freaking huge. This one here, look at this. Just giant, guys. Look at this compared to my head. It's so big. Definitely keeping this one. Oh gosh. This thing is super dirty and big. Look at this. Ay, ay. Huge, another huge one. Good, he's in good condition, nice and hard, has some growth nubs, growth points, growth nubs, whatever you want to call them. Super big. I'm gonna put this over here for now. Next, all right, so we've got this little nub here. It's got roots. It definitely is trying to wake up. So this will be a giveaway, one that I will give to someone. Woo, this thing is, and they're I can feel some moisture on them. I don't know if that's just since they've been in my house. This one's got some growth on it. This will be a giveaway one. Humongous. Oh my gosh, look at this. Woo. These look amazing so far. Like, check that out. That looks so good. I think I'll keep this one, and then I'll give away this ginormous one. I'm gonna put it in this bag because I have 2 people. A nice little nugget, nice and healthy. I'll put a nugget in here. This piece looks nice and juicy. Oh my goodness. Such a good looking piece. I'll stick that in here. Oh, another big chunk. Look at that. I'll keep that one. It's good looking. He's a good looking chunk. These are such nice bulbs, you guys. Super nice. Make sure they get some good ones, some nice. These ones are super just thick. I think these are bigger than the ones that I dug up. This one's got a little bit of moisture, a little muddy, they're a little moist the deeper I go down into the bag. Oh gosh. Look at this, just huge. I don't even know if I have a pot to stick this in. It's just the most giantest thing. Look at this. I mean, it's so beautiful. And it's even got a new root coming out of there. I'm gonna give this away. Looks amazing. I can't keep them all. I could, but that would just be like too much because I would try to start them all. And then, yeah, this one's already kind of going. I'll keep this one. He's already kind of started. Whew. Oh my gosh, look at this. They're so heavy. Juicy. Keeping that one. Whew. All right, we got some little pieces, little nuggets. Put them in these bags. This is a chunking right here. Putting that up. Nice little chunk that can wake up. He's got a node coming out right there. Tiny little nublet. This one's rotten. This is the first rotten one. Ugh. Okay. Another rotten piece. This is a really nice piece right here. Really nice. Just such beautiful tubers, you guys. This one is super nice. This one looks nice. All right, so the rest of this bag is just like rotten and dirt. So I'm gonna do this. Next, still a whole giant bag to look into. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Just huge. Just like, look at that compared to my hand. It's just big. Whew, happy tubers, happy little tubers. Oh my gosh, this looks like a claw. This looks like a foot. Looks so good. I'll keep this one. All right, this one looks nice and big. Pass this along. I don't know. I might have to give more away to like a third person because I don't know. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It is huge. Oh, like look. It's dropping dirt everywhere. I'll move this bag in here. Whew. Okay, so let's get through this quick as possible. This one, I feel like I might have to divide these again because the people I'm giving them to, I don't know if they'll be able to start this many, if they'll have the space for them. Yeah, so I might have to divide it into thirds. Yeah, I think I might do that and see about one other person giving them to. This one looks really good. Goodness gracious. Let's do like this. This one looks nice and juicy. I'm gonna keep that for myself. These, they look amazing. So, ooh, he's still growing, but he's a little rotty. It's cute. This one looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to divide this. I'm definitely gonna have to divide these into thirds or fourths because I don't think the people that I'm giving them to are gonna have enough space for all of these. So yeah, These are kind of soft. I think I'm gonna toss these. This one looks good, a little nugget. Yeah, the rest of these, this kind of looks like an elephant ear. I think this is an elephant ear. I'm gonna put it in there. All right, so that was the bags. This is just dirt and squishy ones. So let's look at the ones that I'm going to keep again. So here are my keepers. They look amazing, you guys. This one looks like a paw, like an animal paw. Let's see. This one is super huge. Look at this guy. And just, I mean, they're just so thick. They're so much thicker than mine that I have, which I need to go through my bulbs. Did I already go through my bulbs? I know I went through my dahlias the other day, which looked terrible, by the way. These guys look so good. Got that one that started growing. It looks like he got chopped by the shovel. And then this guy is super long. My table is filthy. And then this guy's super long. This one, like, I'm gonna have to get, I have a couple huge pots, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get some bigger nursery pots from Lowe's or something. Look at that, just such a chunk. Goodness, look at all the dirt. And then here are the bags to give away, full. I like gave away like most of it. And then that's just like the dirt and the rotten ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one where I will be starting cannas from seed.